I'm gonna show you how to check your print cartridge level here on your HP OfficeJet. Here on your desktop, you can hit the shortcut on your icon. And what it's gonna do is gonna open it up. And if you look to the top right, it has levels right there. You can click on it and get more detailed information. As you can see, my black is full. I just changed that today. And yellow and other stuff is getting kind of low. But I'm also show you another way. You can go to your display screen, just scroll down, and you can go here to the right and hit that little ink button, and it's going to show you your levels. And if you want to print a test template, you can just click on either color. I'm going to click on the black and hit print. So what this is going to do is going to print out you a little report, just showing you your levels. But you can see your levels on your screen. You don't have to print out this report. It's just wasting paper. But this is what the printout looks like. And here is the display on the screen, but I'm gonna show you the printout. So it's just giving you some information about your printer status report, also your levels. As you can see, all the levels right there. Notice that my black is full because I just changed it. But if this video helps, subscribe to my channel, and thank you and have a great day.